The steps to replace a burner in any Frymaster 30-pound frypot fryer are similar. On a LOV, Filter Quick, or OCF unit, the burner is taken out the back. In all cases, remove power and gas from the fryer. Remove the lower back panel. Remove flue clips and the upper back panel. The flue cap can come off now or at a later step when the flue is removed. Remove the two horizontal braces holding the combustion chamber back. Remove the back outer insulation cover. Lift the insulation up and out of the way. The burner and the strip insulation that surrounds it are now visible. Move to the front of the fryer to remove components to gain access to the burner. Components blocking access to the burner will have to be removed. This varies with fryer options and burner position. In this instance, the MIB box on a McDonald's LOV fryer is lowered to gain access to a left side burner. Portions of the harness and the ground wires are detached to allow the component to be pushed safely aside. Wire ties may need to be removed. Push the removed wiring out of the way. The burner orifice assembly should be visible. Remove the enrichment tube. Remove the gas flex line. Remove wire ties as necessary to free the flex line and push it out of the way. If the removal path of the burner is clear, it may not be necessary to remove the burner orifice assembly before removing the burner. Remove the burner. Inspect upper and lower burner rails. Damaged or leaking upper burner rails can be replaced. Damaged lower rails require a frypot replacement. If not removed before the burner was removed, take the orifice assembly from the failed burner. To access other related components, the flue cap is removed. Remove the brace holding the flue and lift out the flue. Peel back the tabs securing the flue collector and remove the collector. Remove the collector mounting plate. Inspect the plenum chamber gasket and replace if necessary. If space in the fryer cabinet allows it, place the burner orifice on the burner before pushing it into place. Wrap the replacement burner with the new insulation, making sure the ends of the insulation are at the back. Position the burner, with the insulation held in place around it, on the rails and slide it into position. It may not go the first time, or you may find that the insulation has been pushed out of position as the burner is pushed in. It is imperative that the burner insulation surrounds the burner. If the burner balks at sliding into place with the insulation in place, slide it in without insulation. This helps find sticking points without risking damage to the insulation. Clamps and tabs on the rear of the burner assembly sometimes protrude into the rail cavity. The clamps can be squeezed with pliers. Be careful not to damage the burner ceramic insert. With the path clear, press the insulation-wrapped burner into place. Inspect the burner and insulation as the assembly nears its seating point. Protect the burner with wood and tap it into place. It should be flush with the burner chamber. Position the new lower insulation, smooth side out, on the frypot studs. Reposition the collector bracket and secure it with screws, tightening on alternating sides to ensure it's flat. Reposition the flue collector. Ensure it slides onto the extended lip at the rear of the frypot. Use an alignment tool if necessary before securing it with screws. Again, tighten on alternating sides to ensure it is flat. Reposition the tabs and secure with screws. Reposition the combustion chamber rear cover and position its brackets, securing with nuts. Don't over-tighten. Reposition the flue and secure it to the collector top. Reposition the bracket that secures it to the cabinet and run in the screws securing it to the cabinet. Reposition the flue cap retaining strip and reposition the flue cap. Return the flue clips to their positions along the flue cap. Replace the upper and lower back panels. If not already in place, return the burner orifice assembly to the burner. Ensure it is tight and the opening facing squarely forward. Attach the nipple for the gas enrichment tube. Attach the gas flex line. Reposition the MIB, ensuring the removed harness and grounds are repositioned and that harnesses are secured with wire ties. The MIB is held at the top by a key-slotted bracket. Partially install the supporting screws and hang the MIB on the screws. Tighten the upper screws and the side screw. Return the cover. Return the fryer to the hood and check for insulation leaks with a hinged inspection mirror. One of the byproducts of combustion gas is water vapor, and the mirror will fog over if there is a leak.